So this is the inline elements, like we can place side by side. Okay, so inline in the sense, suppose we can directly take here B tag and strong tag. Okay, so just write here hypertext markup language, and just write a cascading style sheet. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so it will print side by side here inline. Okay, so all formatting elements are inline style sheet. Sorry, inline elements, not style sheet. Now coming to this italic and emphasize, let me take some text here. Okay, and below that let me take here em. Okay, so both the nature will be shown same italic format. Okay, and next thing we have mark tag is there. So mark is to highlight the text here, like you can take some h1. H1, we will just write some text there. So I need to highlight this word here. HTML is stands for hypertext markup language. So for this, I just write mark. Okay, just reload this page. So we'll get here. Okay, yellow color background. Next thing is small tag. Okay, so for the small tag, it will give 80% of a font size. Suppose this is a 24 pixels, right? H2, so it will give only the 80%. Okay, let me take here lorem 6. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so it will give here a small text here. So if you want to see this one, let me remove this font size here. Just go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so very small size here. So go to this inspect. Okay, and go to this computer. I'm just type here a font size. It will give us this 20 pixels. Okay, even though if you are using H2, it will show us only this 20 pixels font size. Okay, so that is a small tag. Next one is insert and delete tag. Okay, so for insert and delete tag, okay, we can use in e-commerce, like where we can have some offers. So there we can use this one here. So I'm taking the H3. I'm just write so I'm taking here an H3. Okay, so for this one, the cost of watch is the cost of watch is relate dollar 200. No, it is only $100. Okay, you can write insert like $100. Just you can see this one here. The cost of watch is 100. So like this, we can use this insert and delete options. And so we have a superscript and subscript is there. Okay, for superscript and subscript. So I told you that we have a U tag is right. U is an underlined text. I'll show here. So we'll write here U, and we have the superscript and subscript. So for this superscript and subscript, we can write like this some text like the date 28th. So for this, I need to add a superscript. Okay, November. Let me go to this. Just reload this page. Okay, so we'll get here super like this. Next thing is a subscript. So we can also use this one here. For subscript, just write here simple example H2O. So go to this browser, just reload this page. This is a subscript here. Okay, now the underline get like this. Okay, so these are the formatting elements. I got it.
Yes.
Yes.
So next thing is the quotations. Okay, so we have HTML one more topic like quotations marks. Okay, so in this quotations we have a block quote is there. Okay, and we have a small quotations Q tag, and we have abbreviation tag, we have an address tag, and we have a site tag, we have a BDO tag, bidirectional override. Okay, so these tags will be available in quotations. Okay, coming to this block quote. So block quote is used to a long type of quotations. Okay, it will gives a right indent of space and left indent of space. Okay, and little bit top and bottom. Okay, in order to display the text in middle of this web page, we use this block quote. Okay, it is also used for long type of quotations. I'll show the examples here. Let me go to this Visual Studio, create a new file. Now I can save the file with HTML quotations. Quotations. .html. Let's remove this. HTML quotations. Okay, the first thing is a block quote. Let me go to this browser. Just type here long type of quotations. Sorry. Long quotes. It's taking a lot of time. It's okay, no problem. So here I'm just some words here like 90. Okay, just make it to beautify. Okay, so here I'm taking some black words here. Okay, now right click, open this browser. So there you get here some space. Okay, left in and top space and right in and top space, a little bit top and bottom. Why this website is not getting long codes. Okay, so here we go, we have this text is there, right? Just copy this some text. Now go to this. Okay, we can paste this one. So let me remove this one here. Let me remove this. So I'm copy pasting this one. Okay, so here we go, we have some text here. So where do you get this text? So we are get this text in this website, right? So we can make this website as a reference. Okay, so go to this Visual Studio Code. In the block code we use a site tag. Okay, site tag, it is used for, okay, reference. Okay, so reference in the sense where we can get this code. Okay, a code ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొని వచ్చారో దానికి site అనేది tag అనేది reference అన్నమాట. Okay, let me paste it here. So this is for our reference. Okay, so it will not be displayed in web browser. Okay, in block code we use the site tag. Site is used for a reference. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So there you get some text here. Okay, now the block code you can also write like you can also increase the size here. Suppose you can take h2. H2 will close. Okay, so go to this browser, just reload this page. So I'll get here a big like text. Okay, now instead of h2 you can also take here like, if you want to italic format, just you can take I tag here. So go to this, just reload, you'll get italic format. Okay, and if you want to apply some styles here, you can also apply directly in inline style, font size 20 pixels. Just reload this page, so we'll get this 20 pixels font size. And also you can write directly, if you want some quotations for this codes, we'll use a small quotation mark. Okay, so we can close before this I. Okay, now just reload this page, so we'll get here a quotation mark. Now if you want to see this one, just write 40 pixels. Okay, now you can see this one here, and you can also apply a background color, wheat, and let's go to this, so you'll get some background color here. Okay, so like this you can use this block code here. and the quotation mark also. So next thing we have abbreviation tag. Okay, so abbreviation tag, ABBR tag is used for abbreviation tag. Okay, it is used for an abbreviation. Like, go to this, just so we have World Health Organization is there, right? Just you can write like this. So in the ABBR tag, just write title. Okay, World Health Organization. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, when you hover on this one, so there you get the title here, World Health Organization. This is abbreviation. Okay, so next we have address tag. Okay, so address is a tag in order to place your custom address in the websites. We use this address tag. So address tag we will write here like Suresh. Let me take some BR. Son of Suresh, some BR and something like some text here. BR. So go to this, just reload this page. So we can place here some custom address. Okay. See, so you get a doubt here like, so why can't you use I tag and EM tag? In the sense, it is difficult to write like if address has a 10 or 20 lines of code is there. Okay, it is difficult to write for I, right? So number of i's for the text. So that the reason, just take one address tag here and enter some text. If you want some spaces, we can use this break tag here. Okay, so next thing is a site tag. Site is we also have some tag is there. Okay, it is usually refers the work. Okay, it is also italic. It is usually refer the work of the page. Okay, so it states work. It is usually in italic format. See. Okay, and next thing is bidirectional or BDO. Okay, so I just flip the text here. Suppose I'm taking H1, just write hello, welcome. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So here we got some text here. For this text, we'll change the order here. So we'll use this BDO. Okay, in this BDO, we'll use this direction tag. Okay, so here we go. We have RTL and LTL is there. So RTL in the sense right to left. Okay, right to left, left to right. Okay, I'll cut this text here and I'll paste it inside of this one. Okay, go to this browser, just reload this page. See, it will be reverse order. Okay, so that's about this quotations in HTML. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about remaining people? Okay, and we have one more topic is there. That is a boring topic. We have HTML colors. HTML. Okay, so next we have one more concept like HTML colors. Okay, see, for HTML colors, so we can call it as a hexadecimal color code system. Hexadecimal color code. Okay, so colors are classified into three types. One is primary colors. Okay, that is for RGB and hexadecimal. Okay, and HSL. Okay, so one is a primary colors like RGB. Sorry, RGB, and another one is hexadecimal. Another one is HSL. Okay, so these three we have in colors concept. Along with we have RGBA, HSLA. Okay, so we'll explain RGBA and HSLA. Now coming to here, hexadecimal color code system. Okay, in hexa in the sense 0 to 6. Okay, decimal in the sense 0 to 9. So this hexa is denoted with A2, A to F, small a to F or capital A to F. Okay, so total we have a 16 decimal colors we have. Okay, so based upon these 16 decimal colors, okay, we can produce a lot of colors here. Okay, now the hexadecimal color code system is denoted with, okay, hash. Okay, hash is the one in order to display the colors here. So each and every color will represent a 2-digit format. Okay, ప్రతి ఒక్క కలర్ అనేది 2-digit format లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. So one is so this is the highest value, right? A to F. So we will write like this for 16 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 10 will be start from A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so like this the colors will be classified. Okay, so it will represent here 2-digit formats. Okay, FF, that means you can write here RR, GG, BB. Okay, so this is the syntax for hexadecimal color code system. So in this syntax, let me take here. Okay, so highest value is F, right? You can take FF 0000. Okay, so this is the least value and this is the highest value. Okay, so this is a red color. Okay, FF 0000 is a red color. And we can also write, so in hexadecimal color code system we have a short hexa code is there, long hexa code is there. So this is a long hexa code. Okay, in shortcuts we will write like this: F00. Okay, so F00 stands for red color. Okay, similarly we can take here, so this RGB stands for red, green, blue. Okay, so the highest value present in the red. Okay, now let me make it to 00 FF00. This is stands for a green color. Okay, and 00 FF, this is stands for the blue color. Okay, now what happen if you give highest colors? Okay, like FF, 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 so it is gives you the white color. Okay, a similar way you can write list values. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so it will give you the black color. Okay, so like this hexadecimal color code system will be classified. Okay, you can also write a different types of this color codes. Okay, let me see an example. Create a new file. Now I can save the file with colors.html. So first one is hexadecimal color code. Let me take here lorem 7. Let's take this style tag, internal style sheet. Okay, for h1, just right here. Okay, EFF 0 0 0 0. So this indicates the red color. Right click for just apply some font size here, 60 pixels. Right click open in default browser. Okay, see, we'll get a red color. Okay, similarly, so we use, okay, green color. If you use this 0 0 FF 0 0, it will give you the a green color. Okay, so you can also write a short hexa code. Okay, 0 0 F. So it will gives you the blue color. Okay, now you can also change this one. Let me explain. So this is a hexadecimal color code system. Hexadecimal color code is classified with hash and RRGG baby. Next, coming to this RGB. Okay, so RGB we will write the syntax like this: RGB. Okay, so R stands for 0 to, okay, 250 digits, and G stands for the same thing, 0 to, sorry, 0 to 255, 0 to 255, and B also stands for 0 to 255. So in RGB, red, green, blue, each value is starting from 0 to 255 digits, and 0 to 255 for green also. For blue also 0 to 255. So you can start counting from the 0. So value is 256. Okay, 256, 256. Okay, so total we have R, G, B. Okay, equal to 256, 256, 256. Okay, so we can produce 16 billion colors. Okay, so we can produce a 16 billion colors in web using this primary colors RGB. Okay, so we can write the syntax like this, the same. So we can write 255 is the highest value, and least is a 0, 0 comma 0. Okay, so this will gives you the red color. Okay, next thing, RGB. Okay, in RGB, so red is absent, green 0. So this will indicates a green color. Okay, RGB. So we can write 0 comma 0 comma 255. Okay, so this indicates that's blue color. Okay, now what happen if we give this RGB least colors 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, so this will gives you this black color. Okay, RGB, if you want to give this highest colors to 55 comma to 55 comma to 55. Okay, this will gives you this white color. Okay, so this is the syntax for writing this RGB. Next thing, hexadecimal, we covered this one. So this is an hexadecimal color code system. Next thing, HSL. Okay, so HSL stands for hue, saturate, and lightness. So basically we use this some editing apps, right? Like photo editing apps we have in mobiles. In that you can largely found this hue and saturation, lightness. Okay, so here H is stands for hue. Hue is 0 to 360 degrees. So it will classified into 0 to 360 degrees. Saturation is starts from 0 percentages. Okay, 0 to 100 percentage. And the lightness will classified into 0 to 100 percentage. Okay, and the same thing RGBA. RGBA stands for red, green, blue, and A stands for alpha. Alpha is used for opacity. Okay, so in order to apply a transparent colors ni apply cheyalante we will use this RGBA. Same syntax only. RGBA, the same in starting we will write this one, right? So if you take this least color, you can mention this one. And need to add here, alpha values always starts from 0 to 0.9 only. 0 to 0.9. Okay, సో 1 తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే నార్మల్ కలర్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో 0 to 0.9 in the sense it will apply some opacity. Okay, so opacity starts from here 0 to 0.9. So here you can write 0 point like 0.234 like this. The same thing in HSL also. HSLA. So this is also syntax HSLA. We will write here. So I told you that H value starts from 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, in that we will write any of the degree you want, like 120. Okay, comma 80%, comma 70%. Okay, 0.5. So like this we will write the syntax for HSLA, RGBA, and HSL. Okay, now coming to here, HSL. So in HSL, hue value starts from 0 to 360 degrees, right? So here again it will be classified into 0 to 120. Okay, it is a red color. Okay, again 120 to 240. Okay, it's a green color. Okay, now here 0 to 120 I told you, right? 0 to 119 only red will be applied. 120 it will change to green color. Okay, so here also the same thing. Oh, time is up. 0 to 239 only green color. Again 240 will be the blue color. Okay, 240 to 360. So it will be in the blue color. Okay, and if you give the highest value like 350 or 340, so it is automatically take the white color. Okay, so blue in the sense, in the blue we have a light blue, dark blue, okay, sky blue, different types of blues is there, right? So all the values comes under this middle of the range, like 240 to 360. Okay, and 120 to 239, it's a green color, like parrot green, light green, sea green, different types of greens available here, right? So you can use these numbers here. Okay, and the red color, we have a thick red and dark red. Maroon color is a different types of red color size available, right? So that comes under this 0 to 119. Okay, so okay, we'll discuss this color topics on like in the evening session. In evening we have a session is there, okay, at 8 o'clock. Okay, and tomorrow we don't have any sessions, and directly we have a session at Saturday. Okay, and please be attend at the evening. Okay, we'll discuss on evening.
Sir,
Up to now, do you have any doubts regarding this, like formatting elements?
there is no doubt in the topics. Sir, in the evening, we have started at 6. We have 2 hours journey till to reach the home.
Yeah, okay, we can take 8:30. No problem. I'll
Okay,
ping
sir.
you.
Okay.